up, everybody? Boba here, coming at you guys with a new video. And did you guys know that JBL makes a gaming headset? What's up, everyone? Boba back here at the review table, and today we are going to be talking about a gaming headset that I actually had no idea existed. And how I came across this headset is I was kind of just looking up things to review. I do a lot of headset reviews, obviously, on my channel, and the JBL QUANTUM 400 popped up on my radar, and I was like, you know what? JBL makes good audio equipment, and they say it's by Harman, so Harman has been making very good audio equipment as well for a long time. I'm not sure if the companies are combined now or what, but JBL makes some good stuff. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. So I ordered the QUANTUM 400 variant of these headphones. Now, there are a few variants of it. I don't know every variant off the top of my head, but I went with the second to the highest tier one, which was, the highest tier one was the wireless, but it was $150, and obviously I'm a smaller YouTuber, so I don't get everything sent to me, so I had to pay for it with my own money. So I decided to buy the $100 pair, which is the wired USB version, which I figured would be a good variation of the headphones to review because it's the second from the top of the line, and it has the surround. It's got all the cool features of the wireless one. It's just not wireless. So let's take a look at this headset. So we're gonna unbox it in a second, but let's look at what they say it comes with. So obviously it comes with the headset. They say it's compatible with PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, Mac, and VR. So this is one of the few headsets that I have seen that is pretty much compatible with everything you can think of. So that is a very good bonus. They say it has JBL QUANTUM Surround 3D surround sound. So we're gonna be testing that out. I already installed the software. Obviously, you have a stereo mode, you have positional audio, Discord certified, and it is a DTS headphone, which is essentially a surround sound 3D headphone. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, and I'll give you guys my first impressions of it, because I have not even opened this yet. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and look at the headset here. Set that there for now. Okay, build quality, first impression. Not bad. Very lightweight. This is one of the most lightweight headsets I think I've ever felt. Extremely lightweight. Okay. So this is how it looks comfort-wise. So they are side folding, so you get the side folding. So if you want to put it like this, you can rest it like that so the ear cuffs fold in. Unfortunately, I don't think you get a removable microphone on this from what I was reading. So no removable microphone. The hinges are plastic. So pretty much everything about this headset is plastic. Like I think everything on this headset is actually plastic. Interesting feeling headset. You know, I haven't really seen a headset like this before. It's almost like a more compact, very lightweight gaming headset. Closed back design, so you get these faux leather closed back ear cuffs here, which are clearly labeled right and left inside the ear cuff, like so. Okay. You get a wheel on here that can separate the voice chat to the game volume. You get a standard volume wheel, and you get a mic mute button all on the back of the left ear cuff there. And then you get your 3.5 millimeter and your USB-C port on there. So, okay, interesting headset. I'm gonna be honest, the build quality is probably like, if I'm being straight up, probably a 5 out of 10. This is pretty crappy build quality. As far as comfort, you know, comfort, I would probably give it about an 8 out of 10. It's actually a very comfortable, lightweight. The ear cushions on this are very, very soft and thick. I mean, if you can see here, they are a thick ear cushion. Okay, so it comes with 2 braided cables. So it has your USB-C to USB-A cable. So USB-C to USB-A, and then it has your 3.5 millimeter jack cable. Now, one thing I really like about these cables that I think is super cool is they're actually braided in the color scheme color theme, whatever. I don't scheme. Anyways, they are braided in the colors of your headset. So it's an orange and black braided cable. So I think that's kind of cool. Little attention to detail there. Again, it's a detachable USB-C, so that's great. And then, of course, again, you get the 3.5 millimeter to make it compatible with everything. Impressions, build quality, like I said, probably about a 5 out of 10. Comfort, about an 8 out of 10. I will give them credit, with the braided colored cables. I think that's really cool. Again, it is a removable cable headset, so like you do have to keep this plugged in. Obviously, this is not a wireless variant. But I do like the fact that the cables are removable, so that's a good step in the direction there. And you have USB-C, and you have 3.5 millimeter. So obviously this is not going to be compatible. Like if you're plugging this in 3.5 millimeter, this won't be compatible with the surround sound. But with the USB, you should be good to go there. So yeah, I'm really liking this headset. Interesting. So this headset will currently run you around $100 on Amazon, and the wireless version is $150. So we talked about the build quality, we talked about the look of it, so let's go ahead and hop over to my gaming table and let's try out this microphone and test out the sound. I'll see you guys over there.
All right, everybody, Boba here, and this is the test of the JBL QUANTUM 400's microphone. Again, this microphone is non-removable, and this is not a wireless headset. So here we are, testing the microphone. So hopefully it sounds good. Don't really know how it's supposed to sound, but I can't really hear it back right now, but hopefully it sounds good here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hop over to the software, and I'm going to show you guys what kind of software comes with this headset because it's an interesting software. So looking at the software here, this is the JBL QUANTUM 400 software. Um, Not really sure what I'm looking at because I've never seen a microphone software like this. One thing I noticed right here, though, if you can see, is the microphone is actually showing me how much of my voice it's picking up. So I think that's actually a pretty cool feature. So let's go ahead and look at this. So first things first, we have an equalizer. That is for the sound. Lighting, there is RGB lighting on this headset. I forgot to mention that at the desktop, at the review table in the studio, there is RGB lighting, so you will be better at video games if you wear this headset. Spatial sound, you have again the JBL Quantum sound, and you have the DTS. So um, there's two types of 3D sound slash surround sound on this headset. You have the JBL Quantum Surround and you have the DTS 3D Surround. So pretty cool. Kind of an interesting little graphic they have here. Uh-oh, my microphone might be cutting out a little bit. We'll get out of that way. And then one really cool thing too that I like about this is they have some little microphone tweaks that you can do. You can mess with the side tone, the mic volume, and the mic level. Well, it just shows the mic level. But you can do some different things with it. Like usual, this headset had a pretty massive firmware update when I plugged it in, so it was kind of annoying. So hopefully everything is sounding good. Now again, you can mess with the volume. If you look up here, I'll show you guys, sorry. If you look up here at the chat and game volume, so you have a switch on if you see that chat and game volume going back and forth there, that is because you have a little wheel up here that allows you to turn your friends up and down in Discord on the fly. And I think that's a very good feature of this headset. And then you have a quick, oh, thank you. And then you have a quick toggle for spatial sound. I can turn that on, turn it off. Actually, okay. So then we have system software, and then yeah, so that is the software for the JBL Quantum 400s. I imagine it's probably the same software that's used for all the other JBL Quantum headsets. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop over to a couple games, and I'm gonna test out the surround sound on this. I'll see you guys over at the review table in a minute.
All right, everyone, Boba back here at the studio review table. And so I'm definitely going to title this video a watch before you buy. Now, I have to be honest, the braided cable is a pain in the ass when it comes to wearing this headset in gaming. Every time I would move, it would catch on my sweater and you would get this loud, like, almost like a scratchy noise into the headphones. So that was very annoying. Other than that, though, So I tried this headset out in game. I played a couple games with it. Without the Dolby Quantum surround on and just running it as a basic stereo headset, this headset is just It's just okay. It's not nothing special. It's just okay. But when I activated the Dolby Quantum surround engine on these headphones, whew, my God, this headset comes alive like no other headset I've ever used. I don't know what kind of software they're using, how they tune these drivers, but I am telling you guys, the Dolby Quantum surround completely opened up this headset in the game, and just absolutely amazing. Like out of all the surround engines and the 7.1s, the 5.1s, the DTS, I'm telling you guys, the JBL Quantum Surround is a home run. It opened up this headset. It took this headset from being just a okay pair of headphones to being like, holy shit, I want to keep playing whatever game I'm playing right now and keep these on my desk. I'm probably just gonna keep these on my desk now just for the JBL Quantum Surround Sound. What a mouthful to say, by the way. Gosh. So I tested out with that. It sounded great. I tested it with the Dolby DTS version 2, and it was just It sounded like every other DTS software out there. But man, I'm telling you guys, the JBL Quantum Surround system on this thing, holy crap, guys. The 3D sound, phenomenal, really bassy, a lot of bass. If you like bass, you're gonna love this headset. They are definitely tuned for nice deep bass. As far as that goes, the microphone is just not a good microphone. I wouldn't use it for streaming, but if you're just doing comms over the game, hey, you should be good there. Like I said, I mean, if you're looking for a gaming headset that has good 3D surround, this is the best one I've used. And it's not even really the headset, it's the software that JBL implemented into the headset and into their software. And holy crap, is it top tier. I mean, it's great. Now, obviously, if you're doing competitive gaming, you're not going to want to use it. But man, for a closed back, comfortable design with really thick leather ear cushions with that software, I mean, this is a good buy. I think this is a good buy headset. Now, for $100, it's a little expensive for a wired pair of headphones, but I have to be honest with you guys, I have never tried a 3D sound surround software that sounded as good as these did. So yeah, that is my review on the JBL Quantum 400 wired headphones. If you're looking for a master, a beast of surround sound headphones and 3D headphones, I think you guys would really enjoy this one. So yeah, I will catch you guys next time. My name's Boba, and I am out.